What's up everybody, it's Eric and Mia from DARKMATTERX. Today we are going to show you how to install your shift boot if there's no gluing required, which is a lot of the newer Subarus. You just pull a little plastic piece out and you replace the boot. So we are going to go over that today. Mia here does all of our sewing here at DARKMATTERX. She sews all the boots right behind us here. So let's get into it. Here we have the OEM component that holds the shift boot out of a VA STI, which is a 2015 through 2021 STI. Here's one of our DARKMATTERX shift boots. So when you're in your car and you're moving this piece, you're just going to pop it out of the center console, and you want to pay attention to what's the front and what's the back of this piece. When you get your shift boot, you'll place the back of the shift boot, which is where the tag is sewn in, with the back of the piece. Just make note too of all the little tabs here. We die cut all of our boots to the exact OEM pattern. So there's going to be a hole already exactly where the hole's supposed to be to fit up to the OEM components. Let's go ahead and start installing this. Okay, when you're installing this boot here, instead of pulling at the edge of the material, if you're having trouble getting it over these sides here, you're going to want to pull from behind the holes there. And you're going to want to work that material over the edge from behind it. Then it's going to give you a lot more leverage, and you'll have a much easier time pulling that over the edge. Here's the boot fully installed onto that OEM component, and we made sure to get every one of these little hooks all tabbed into the material there, and we have our material wrapped around nicely all the way around the edge here. And you want to make sure too that you have good overlap here for when you actually plug this back into the car. You don't want your boot kind of like stretched over the side, the inside edge, because then that might show that seam there. So you can just kind of pull it over nicely in the front and the back, and you are good to go to plug that and snap that right back into your car. Alright guys, there you go. We installed the boot onto our component. Go ahead and go stick that in your car. And if you have any questions, feel free to email us, support@darkmatterx.com, and we will take care of you. Alright, catch you later.